Intelligence is the ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge. It allows life to sense, adapt, and evolve. From the simplest instinct to complex reflection, intelligence unfolds in stages, each one more flexible, abstract, and self-aware than the last. Understanding these levels is like tracing the path of consciousness itself. Every living system, from a cell to a civilization, expresses intelligence in some form. And in studying these levels, we are also studying what it means to be alive. Instinctive intelligence. This is the root of all intelligent behavior. It's hardwired, an automatic survival code written by evolution. It happens when living beings react instantly to danger or opportunity. A lizard hides in a shadow, a fish darts from light, a newborn grips a hand. No reasoning, no learning, just pure biological precision. Instinctive intelligence ensures survival, but it can't question or change. It is intelligence without awareness. Reactive intelligence. Here, experience begins to shape response. It's the ability to associate action and outcome, to learn from feedback. When a rat avoids a maze route that once caused a shock, or when a toddler stops touching a hot surface, that's reactive intelligence. It creates memory through trial and consequence. This level brings the first spark of flexibility, the bridge between instinct and learning. Sensory intelligence. This is the capacity to perceive, interpret, and prioritize sensory input. Every sense is a data stream, and intelligence decides which signals matter. A bat navigating by sound,
A bee following ultraviolet patterns.
or a human recognizing a familiar voice, all depend on sensory filtering. It's not thought yet, but it's perception with purpose. It marks the shift from reacting to noticing. Emotional intelligence. This level adds awareness of inner state. It's the intelligence that feels before it thinks. It recognizes emotion in oneself and in others, and uses that information to adapt. It enables empathy, cooperation, and caregiving. Elephants mourn, wolves coordinate, humans comfort. Emotional intelligence makes connection a survival tool. It turns life from competition into relationship. Practical intelligence. This is intelligence through action. It's the understanding of how rather than why. Mechanics, chefs, and builders develop it through years of hands-on experience, knowing what works because they've refined it over time. It's learned through repetition, feedback, and adaptation. Practical intelligence turns experience into efficiency. It solves problems directly, without needing abstraction. It's the intelligence of those who learn by doing, the kind that shapes real life. Analytical intelligence. This is the ability to dissect complexity. It identifies patterns, tests hypotheses, and separates cause from coincidence. It builds frameworks, equations, and rules. Analytical intelligence gave rise to science, architecture, and technology. It prefers precision over feeling, clarity over comfort. It's powerful but incomplete, for analysis without emotion can lose its humanity. It can calculate value but not always meaning. Creative intelligence. This level connects logic and imagination. It creates novelty, something that never existed before. A composer turning silence into music, an engineer reimagining energy, or a child inventing an imaginary friend all express creative intelligence. It transforms limitation into invention and confusion into discovery. Creativity is intelligence exploring possibility. Social intelligence. This is the intelligence of interaction. It interprets subtle cues, tone, timing, gesture, trust. It senses the unseen structure of relationships, who influences, who supports, who resists. Social intelligence keeps groups stable and communication alive. It governs leadership, diplomacy, and friendship. Without it, intellect becomes isolation. Linguistic intelligence. Language is the mind's great amplifier. It turns thought into symbol and symbol into culture. Through words, humans share not just facts, but imagination, ethics, and emotion. Every idea that survived time did so through words. Language turns awareness into continuity. Abstract intelligence. This is thinking beyond what is visible. It works with ideas like numbers, infinity, or justice. Concepts that have no shape yet structure the world. It allows humans to reason about what cannot be seen. laws, theories, philosophies. Abstract intelligence is imagination trained by logic. It allows us to build internal models of reality and then test them against it. Metacognitive intelligence. Here, thought becomes self-aware. It observes its own process, asking, how do I know this, and what else could be true? It's the intelligence that evaluates its own accuracy. Students use it when they adjust study methods, scientists when they question assumptions. It's awareness folded inside awareness, a mirror in motion. Moral intelligence. This is the intelligence of conscience. It judges not only outcomes but intentions. It asks what is fair, what is kind, and what is right. Moral intelligence shapes laws, ethics, and compassion. With it, knowledge turns into integrity. Artificial intelligence. This is intelligence built, not born. Machines now simulate elements of reasoning, pattern recognition, and problem solving. They process vast data faster than humans ever could. They mirror human design, brilliant yet bounded. It's intelligence without consciousness, precision without purpose. Systemic intelligence. This understands how intelligence expands through connection. It perceives systems, social, cultural, and ecological, as living networks that adapt and evolve together. It recognizes that no single mind sees the whole, but through cooperation, awareness becomes collective. This intelligence connects empathy to structure, diversity to harmony, and knowledge to sustainability. Ecological intelligence. This form recognizes that intelligence is not separate from nature. It's the awareness of balance, that every action has an environmental echo. It observes the cycles of renewal, decay, and interdependence that sustain life. It's wisdom that measures success by harmony, not domination. It reminds humanity that intelligence detached from the earth destroys itself. Spiritual intelligence. This is the search for meaning beyond measurement. It's awareness of the unseen forces connecting all existence. Spiritual intelligence is not belief, it's perspective. The understanding that consciousness is part of something larger. It inspires compassion, gratitude, and humility. It is intelligence guided by inner stillness. Integrated intelligence. This is the fusion of all previous levels. It unites emotion with analysis, imagination with discipline, individuality with community. An integrated mind learns without losing wonder and acts without losing awareness. It knows that mastery is not control. It's coherence. It's the harmony between knowing, feeling, and being. Transcendent intelligence. Integration lies pure awareness. It's consciousness observing the flow of thought without identification. It's intelligence that no longer seeks to dominate or define. It simply understands. At this level, knowledge and being become the same. It's the stillness behind every insight, the moment the mind recognizes itself. If you liked this video, subscribe for more like this.